Well, if you or someone you love is turning the tassel this May, you might want to think, did I do it in the right way? You might want to think about your next move. Our money coach, Bill Stanley, says to watch your financial footsteps. Good morning, Bill.
Good morning. First, let me say that college is important, in my opinion. I saw a news article last week that said college might not be worthwhile because of all of the debt.
I saw that article too, that story.
And if you're going to send your kid to college, you got to use common sense. Undergraduate school is 4 years, not 5, not 6, but 4 years. And don't send your kid to a college that costs, a private college that costs $50,000 a year and let them have $200,000 in debt when they get out. Try a community college and then a state college. It's important to get your degree. That'll be one of the first questions they ask when you get a new job. Let me start my story. I was talking to a neighbor the other day, and her daughter has just completed her first year of teaching after graduating from the University of Northern Colorado.
Okay.
And she said two things that really sounded good to me. One, she graduated without any debt at all.
Wow.
And two, she wanted to see the money coach this summer. And I thought, well, that's really good. I said, well, how did she graduate without any debt?
Yeah.
Well, her daughter is frugal in the first place. And that was her goal. She didn't want to have any debt when she got out of school. Well, Mom and Dad helped a little, but it was mostly up to the student herself. She did well in high school and continued to work hard and apply herself in college, and she got a couple of scholarships.
Okay.
She also worked multiple jobs. She helped professors grade papers. She taught math tutored math to some of her fellow students, and she worked several office jobs. And statistics show that somebody who works their way through college and contributes does better in college and does better later in life.
Because they have more invested in it.
That's right.
Their own, yeah.
And if a college graduate gets $10,000, or if a high school graduate gets $10,000, a college graduate will get $18,400. And getting a job is important. If you haven't finished high school in this job market, your unemployment rate is 10.8%. If you graduate from college, it's 3.4%. Big difference. Also, her daughter wants to talk to me. I thought, well, that's pretty good because now she's earning money. She has no debt. She wants to know what to do with her money. Well, I'll emphasize to her that she should put the maximum into the state pension fund. And I think we'll try and start a monthly contribution to a no-load mutual fund that's an index fund. And, of course, I will talk to her about credit cards and debt. I understand she already keeps close track of what she does, where her money goes on a notebook. And that's because she learned that from her parents. And I have to emphasize again that your parents, your kids are watching your every step. You got to do the right thing. And I'm happy that some of the kids are going in the right direction. My most recent clients are 3 kids, 15, 16, and 17. And their mom wants them to learn about money before they leave high school.
How are they doing so far?
They're doing so far. Well, it's a real challenge, I'll tell you, but they've got the right attitude, and I think if I can instill some good money habits in them, they'll do well. Overall, I think that if you get started in the right direction, you're going to have a much better life financially.
And that's the point. It starts young, it starts with our parents.
And right. And you got to encourage the kids to do the right thing.
And she has no debt coming out of college.
No debt coming out of college, and now she wants to start investing.
Love it. I'm jealous. Hey, if you have a question or a story, a success story for Bill, we want to hear it. You can email him directly. What's your address?
MoneyCoachBill@AOL.com.
Love to hear success stories.
Study hard.